फाटले कांय दीस रेंट कॅबाचे ॲक्सिडंट वाडल्यात ते फाटभुंयेर सरकार कारवाय करूंक खर पावलां उखलता. ज्या रेंट कॅबा गाडयेन जीव वचपी अपघात जाल्यार तांचेर खर कारवाय करून परमिशन रद्द करतलो म्हूण येरादारी मंत्री मॉविन उलयलो.
I have said it earlier, I will say it again. If there are more than one offense, serious offences where somebody dies or somebody is critically injured, we will not only impound the car and take action against the owner, but we will cancel the permit permanently
of the owner.
of that car. Once there is no permit, they can't run it.
फाटल्या 2 वर्सांत खंयच्याच रेंट कॅबाक सरकारान परमिशन दिवंक ना.
For your information, last more than 2 years, there is a complete ban on renter cab. We have not given a single permission. There is a complete ban on renter bike. We are not giving anybody permission. There is so much of pressure, at least for renter bike, because some areas are not covered. Now we are studying which areas it is not there, which stand it is not there. Only there we may relax, but that is not sure.
स्पीड गव्हर्नर ना तांचेर खर कारवाई जाता. रेंट कॅबाक ॲप सुविधा म्हत्वाची म्हूण ताचें उलोवप.
As you know, they keep moving here and there, don't take action, this, that, ते जाता. I have refused to come under pressure, but I will take those steps which they will be compelled to put the speed governance. Because कितें जालां, सगळे रेंट कॅब घेवपाक सोदता कित्याक they feel other taxi is costly. You have to simultaneously, another thing has to happen. We have to go on the app in a big way. So I am saying app is a must. We have to go digital.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.